Those responsible for the escape of Senator Ronald De La Rosa, who is facing an arrest warrant issued by the International Criminal Court, should be held accountable. That's according to former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. Trillanes, in an interview with award-winning broadcast journalist Pinky Webb on Billionario News Channel's On Point, said that Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, Senator Robin Padilla, and Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Mau Aplaska should be charged.
I think at this point in time, we need to crack down on those responsible for letting Bato escape. And even before that, those responsible for the failure of the serving of the valid warrant. And makikita natin, we can narrow it down to Senator Alan Cayetano being the Senate President, and the Sergeant-at-Arms, the new Sergeant-at-Arms, Robin Padilla, who, as reported, was the driver of the getaway vehicle of Mr. Bato de la Rosa. So all of these people should be held accountable for their actions.
Trillanes noted that it was Cayetano who initiated the move to place De La Rosa under the Senate's protective custody. He also pointed out that Aplaska used the security of the Senate as a private army to prevent the NBI from implementing the arrest warrant.
Kasi wala po sa rules of engagement ng Sergeant-at-Arms na pwede mong barilin ng isang NBI agent. Ando doon sila eh. They're not even entering the Senate premises.
Alright.
Kaso alam nila, they put up a show, nakita nyo na they made sure the media would cover it, pero hindi nila pinalapit doon kasi otherwise makikita na binabaril nila yung pader. Di ba? So, alam nila, nag-sow sila ng chaos to draw public sympathy, and yun na nga, as expected, gagamitin nila doon sa petitions nila sa Korte Suprema. It was a show. It was staged.
Trillanes added that Padilla should be charged for aiding and abetting a fugitive.